4 Daily Monitor newspaper journalists filed an application challenging the orders issued by Nakawa Chief Magistrates Court that they give to police the original letter written by Coordinator of Intelligence Agencies, General David Sejusa, and also reveal who leaked it to them. But High Court Judge Benjamin Kabito threw out the preliminary objections and advised the journalists to proceed with the main suit if they wish. He also advised the journalists to file for criminal revision instead of judicial review. The Monitor journalists are Executive Editor Simon Freeman, Managing Editor Daily Editions Don Wanyama, and Senior Reporters Rizdel Kasasra and Richard Wanambwa, who authored the controversial story. Earlier, State Attorneys Robin Rakojo and Kadoli Wanyama had urged that the application by the journalists cannot be heard through a judicial review process since the subject matter in question is about reviewing judicial decision taken by Nakawa Magistrate. Court had earlier set this day to give a preliminary ruling on whether to proceed with the hearing of the application filed by the 4 journalists. The scribes urged that since they were neither the authors nor the recipients of the letter, they can't be in possession of the original copy that police wants them to produce. Monitor Publications lawyer James Nangwara says they will proceed with the case in full since the right of journalists to practice their trade is under threat. Besides, revealing sources violates the journalist's code of conduct.
What the judge said that if the 4 journalists want to fight that order, there is a procedure under which they can fight it by applying for criminal revision of the order and not judicial review.
Coordinator of Intelligence Agencies, General David Sejusa, who is now in UK, wrote the controversial letter asking the Director General of Internal Security Organization to investigate reports of an alleged plot to assassinate top army and government officials opposed to the so-called Muhoozi project. Government says no such a project exists to ensure that President Yoweri Museveni's son, Brigadier Muhoozi Kainerugaba, succeeds his father. Government later closed the Monitor Publications and its 2 sister radio stations, ostensibly to search for the letter. The media houses were reopened after 10 days.
The judge dismissed all the grounds raised by the state, but on his own motion, he looked at a certain provision of a law which was not cited and held that the 4 journalists could have proceeded under that law.
Salma Namwanje, Kabale Ivan, NBS Television.